Once you've logged into your OptimizePress members area, you'll see a page that looks similar to this. On that page, you'll see an area where you can download files, and that's where your OptimizePress plugin and the OptimizePress theme, as well as the OptimizeMember plugin, which is a new feature in OptimizePress 2, will be located, and that's where you can download the files from. So what you need to do is click on the OptimizePress plugin or the theme, depending on which one you're using. Click on the link to download it. If I click on that link, it'll download a zip file to my computer. Once you've downloaded that zip file to your computer, log into your WordPress website where you want to install OptimizePress and click on the plugins and then add new button. Now when you come to this area, you'll need to choose the file or the zip file that you downloaded to your computer from the OptimizePress members area. So I'm going to choose the file, choose the OptimizePress plugin and hit install now. It'll ask you to activate the plugin, which you do by clicking on the activate plugin link on the page. When it's activated, it'll take you to the plugins page and you'll now see an extra tab on the left hand side that says OptimizePress. What you need to do is click on that tab to activate the plugin. When you click on the OptimizePress tab on the left hand side, you'll need to enter your API key to activate the plugin and start using it on your WordPress website. And you get the API key from your members area. So what we need to do now is log back into our members area to get the API key. When you're in your members area, click on the activate my site link up in the navigation and it'll show you your API key that you can use to activate your plugin. What you need to do is copy that to your clipboard, go back to your website and paste the API key into the box and then click Save Settings. Once you've done that, you'll get access to all the features of the OptimizePress 2.0 plugin.
Yeah, it's our time to shine. Show that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new clock and a new stock for this new rock. Just let your mind loose from the new stock. Drunk off the goose, thinking that I'm too black. Getting caught with a few thoughts cause I'm too lost. Off the speakers can't even handle me. Giving what I got, nobody's gonna drain my energy. And I will never stop, I'm motivated by enemies. Setting up shop so everybody remember me. And no, I am not going through life regretfully. I'd rather work non-stop, what they call incessantly, than work some odd job just to live life pleasantly. Already got lost in my mind, not a fantasy, I'm getting there. Forgotten soul, so stop, drop, and roll. You lost all control and pop off your ball. I got squat, I fall, I'm not bought, I'm sold. My stock rocks, it's gold. Hey, knock, knock, she holding shit, talk to close. I ain't stopping though, it's hip-hop, you know. Or is it rock and roll? I'm not dropping down, no, my pocket's grown. You can't stop the show, so get rockin' on. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't here to make peace. Yeah. I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm down. No, I'm never slowing down, cause we're blowing up now. Slowing down. Ascension in my passion, my profession. I'm attacking my obsession, taking action and progressing. I go off on the enemy. That's what makes them scared of me. Make my plans carefully, then execute them daringly. They say I act recklessly, but that's why I'm effective. See, you can't predict my tendencies. I offer no transparency. Some people think I'm lost, others think I'll be a legend. I'm never gonna stop till I'm one above second. And my thoughts at the top, but my mind stay present. Don't let your dreams stop, cause dreaming is a blessing. They tell me all the same. Told me I won't make a name. But it's not about the fame, it's about keeping me sane. So I stay within my lane, feel my blood pump through my veins. Feel adrenaline, no pain, welcome all to my domain. Yeah. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about